Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my crazy big black family. So today we're going to be making some broiled steak in the oven. I got this steak cut from the meat store and it is cut about 2 inches thick. So what I did was I put it all in my glass pan. I'm going to be seasoning. I got some cracked black pepper. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be seasoning with cracked black pepper. I'm going to be adding some fresh parsley flakes. I'm also going to add to that some garlic and herb seasoning, and I'm going to add up some, with that, I'm going to add some onion flakes as well. Right now, as you see, I'm just adding on my seasons, and I'm going to repeat that on both sides so that my steak can be nicely seasoned, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing you all the seasonings that I'm adding, and I'm making sure to add all those seasonings to both sides so that the steak will be equally seasoned. Now I'm going to put my little finishing touch, which is some garlic and herb Italian dressing. If you didn't know, Italian dressing is a really good marinade, so I use that as a marinade. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. My top wasn't open. I'm adding some olive oil on top and some chicken broth. Now, even though this is beef, I'm going to add chicken broth just to give it a little extra flavor into it, to bring out the flavor with the seasonings and things like that. So I add that on top, and look at that, guys. What a beautiful steak. It's ready to go in the oven. I set the oven at 395, put it in the oven, let it cook for like 35 minutes. There you go.